Man, we are at it early, y'all. Alicia Andrews has decided to take the stand in her own trial, and boy, is it epic. This one is going to be great. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. It is your boy ConcreteVillainVizuals, Calico Ill. Check it out.
All rise. All jurors are in, Judge.
Okay, very good. Welcome back. Call your next witness.
This time, the defense calls Alicia Andrews to the stand.
All right, Ms. Andrews, I need you to raise your right hand to be sworn.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes. Okay, very good. You may proceed.
Miss Andrews, can you please turn to the jury and introduce yourself by name?
My name is Alicia Andrews.
All right, Miss Andrews, you're charged with 2 counts. One is first-degree murder, and the other is conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Did you know that Charles Jones was going to die on June 23rd of 2024?
No, I did not.
Did you have any involvement in Charles Jones's murder?
No, I did not.
Did anyone tell you anything about a plot to kill Charles Jones when you went to Tampa?
No, they didn't.
Taking the stand in your own murder case is very dangerous. You have to be cautious. If you are not prepared for this, you will get eaten alive by the state. I mean, they will chew you up. Filet mignon, Twix at the Dollar Tree. You will get chewed up by doing this. Unless you drop a bombshell. If you drop a bombshell, if you turn it all the way around these turns of effects on they ass, you might have a slim chance of hope. Because all you need is just one juror to raise reasonable doubt, and it's over with.
All right, Miss Andrews, I'm going to show you something. I want you to tell me if you recognize it. What this is?
Yes.
All right. What is it? Without telling me what it says.
A message from Isaiah.
And are these messages that you see here, are they accurate representations of the messages that you received from Isaiah?
Yes.
How do you recognize these messages?
They're messages that he sent me, I think, on iMessage.
At this time, the defense will move Exhibit 8 into evidence.
State you renew your objection?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, same ruling. Overruled. You can admit it.
All right. Do you recognize this email address here at the top?
Yes.
All right. And whose email address is that?
Isaiah.
And do you see where it says message sender?
Yes.
All right. Do you see the body of the message here?
Yes.
What does it say?
He said, stop fucking boasting yourself, goddamn.
All right. Do you remember this message?
Yes.
This message went to who?
Me.
Do you see this second message here?
Yes.
What does the message say?
He said, the fuck you keep advertising yourself for?
All right. And this is from Isaiah Chance to you?
Yes.
What was he talking about when he says you keep advertising yourself?
I don't remember what picture I posted, but I posted a picture on Instagram that he didn't like.
Now, this third message, what does it say?
I said, I'm not advertising myself.
Can you read the fourth message?
It say just say delete it.
That message comes from, you know if you sent that or did he send that to you?
It say his name at the top, so I think he sent it.
The fifth message here,
He said delete it.
when he says delete it, what is he talking about?
He told me to take the picture down.
And so when you are with law enforcement and they are interviewing you and they bring up Charles Jones, Julio Foolio, and they specifically talk about this beef, you lie to them and act like you don't know nothing about that, right?
Yeah, he asked me if I had knowledge, like I knew exactly who did what. Like, no, I don't have no direct knowledge. I know what's on the internet, but I didn't assume that's what he was asking me, so I said no.
You know nothing about Julio the big rapper, right?
I said I know what's on the internet. I don't know personally if it's true, who did what.
You know more than what is on the internet. Isn't that true, miss?
No, I actually don't.
You have just read to the jury about different deaths
That's on the internet in our city. I don't know if it would be in
And-
Tampa, but Jacksonville is on the internet.
and also a person you know that's been shot, Will.
Yeah, I went to school with him, so I know.
Okay, so that's not just on the internet. That's something that you lived through, right?
I lived through it. I mean, that's his situation. I just know about it.
And you're dating Isaiah Chance Gutta, right?
Dating him when at that time?
And you know that his best friend, 23, has been killed.
I mean, okay, that's his friend. That's not my friend.
Okay. But you're aware of it, right?
Yeah, I'm aware.
And you know that Tilly has been killed.
Yes, that's his friend. That's not my friend.
But again, you are aware of it, right?
Yeah, it's on the internet.
Overruled. And you know that Bibby has been killed.
Yes, just like everybody else knows.
And you yourself know about it.
Yes, it was on the internet.
And law enforcement are informing you that they are asking you about the death of Charles Jones in Tampa, right?
Yes.
And they are talking to you and they are mentioning that they know the beef between these two groups, right?
Yes.
And your boyfriend, Isaiah Chance, is connected to many of the people who have died in this rival gang war.
Yeah, he's connected, not me. So,
But you know about it.
yes, I know.
And you lied to law enforcement and withheld all of that information knowing that they are investigating another death in this rival gang war, right?
I mean, in the beginning, they told me to talk about what I want to talk about. I don't have to talk about what I don't want to talk about. And I didn't want to be in the middle of that. I don't know for sure if any of these deaths for real. I looked on the internet. I don't know, so I didn't answer it.
I know niggas that don't tell they bitches anything. Zero, nothing, finito, nothing about the streets. If it's household shit, then it's household shit. But when it comes to going outside them doors, ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? So if you on a trip and you come with a bunch of niggas on a trip, 9 times out of 10, them niggas don't know your bitch. So you ain't gonna tell your bitch shit because them niggas already gonna be questioning what the fuck she know, or if this bitch, it's gonna be somebody be like, man, this bitch gonna tell, bro. If anything go down, this hoe gonna tell. So they not gonna really implicate the hoe on that shit though. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So like, in reality, all bullshit aside, without being biased to any sides or anything like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta understand, niggas really don't tell they bitch shit. And this young generation, this young Z, whatever the fuck it is, generation that they call themselves, bro, real shit, niggas be controlling they bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, shorty, you gonna do whatever I say type shit. Take that shit down. No, don't wear this. Don't be talking to my niggas. So 9 times out of 10, the hoe really ain't gonna know what's going on. He finessing her too, though. You feel me? Like, y'all know what type of time it is, especially motherfuckers in the streets. They know the outcome of it in the streets is the hoe got finesse. You know what I'm saying? The nigga got this bitch into some shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, she can't get out of it now. She fucked. That's why she cooked. You know what I mean? But the court way is they saying like, Shorty, you had involvement. The court, they don't know that a nigga finesse a bitch quick though. Like, they don't give a fuck about that. They don't even care to see that. But that's reality though. Like, nigga, she got finessed. Shit, they brought this bitch in on some shit though. That, you know what I mean? She really, they know she ain't got the heart of. So them niggas down bad for that though. And Shorty, she cooked because she played the game that she, you know what I'm saying? She following her nigga.
Members of the jury, we're almost there. Mr. McClimate told you that this gang war in Jacksonville is tragic. That's the only thing that I think that the state is in agreement with what he just argued to you. It is very tragic, the killing on both sides that happened, and the law places a high regard for the sanctity and the protection of human life. And the law protects everyone equally. It doesn't matter who the victim is, and it doesn't matter what the victim does for a living. If you purposely intend to commit first-degree premeditated murder and kill a person, regardless who that person is, and we have proven all of those elements, the law requires that that person be convicted.
Because you've seen all the evidence, you know all the facts, there you know that there is only one verdict for each count. There's only one verdict, and it's the same verdict for each count. The same verdict. That verdict is that Alicia Andrews, as it relates to the charges of first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, is that Alicia Andrews is not guilty, not guilty, not guilty. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Very good. Welcome back, members of the jury. It's my understanding you've reached a verdict, and the foreperson hand the verdict form to the bailiff. Okay, very good. Madam Clerk? Yes. Please publish the verdict.
In the Circuit Court of the 13th Judicial Circuit of the State of Florida, in and for Hillsborough County Criminal Justice Division, State of Florida versus Alicia Latoya Andrews, case number 24 CF 11996, Trial Division 1, verdict form. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 1, the defendant is guilty of manslaughter, a lesser included offense. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 2, the defendant is not guilty. So say we all, dated this 31st day of October 2025, signed foreperson of the jury.
All right, thank you very much. Have a seat. Does that decide wish for me to poll the jury?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask you, each of you, this is your true and correct verdict. I'm going to call you by your initials and your jury number. And I just need you to respond yes or no. Okay? All right, juror number 5, initials DC. Is this your true and correct verdict? Yes. Juror number 13, initials LM. Is this your true and correct verdict? Juror number 14, initials SC. Is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror 21, initials EM. Is this your true and correct verdict? Yes. Juror number 23, initials CJ. Is this your true and correct verdict? Yes. Juror number 41, initials AM. Is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 42, initials LL. Is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 45, initials JO. Is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 58, initials SH. Is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 61, initials SM. Is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 62, initials PB. Is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Okay. All right, very good. I have one final set of very brief formal instructions and then something a little less formal to say to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you for your time and consideration of this case.